Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak and fries. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final plating, ensuring you create a delicious meal. You'll learn professional techniques for achieving a perfectly seared steak and incredibly crispy fries. Get ready to impress your family and friends with a restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. Let's get cooking. First, select a quality cut of steak, such as a ribeye or New York strip, about 1 1/2 inches thick. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels to ensure a beautiful crust. Season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Allow your steak to rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before cooking for even results. For the steak, heat a cast iron pan until smoking hot, then sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side until a deep brown crust forms. Transfer the pan to a 375 Fahrenheit oven to finish cooking to your desired doneness. For the fries, double frying is key. Fry them first at 325 Fahrenheit until tender, then again at 375 Fahrenheit until golden and crispy. Once cooked, rest your steak for 5 to 10 minutes on a cutting board. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender bite. You can add a pat of butter and some fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary while it rests. Immediately after frying, season your hot fries with salt. Slice the steak against the grain and serve alongside your crispy fries with your favorite dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.